Hello, good morning parents and children. Welcome to the E-class of St. Joseph's Academy. I'm your English teacher, Ms. Cheshta Sindwani. Before starting this E-class session, I would like to inform the parents why we are doing this E-class. As we are all aware about this lockdown due to the COVID-19, so for our safety reasons and because of the government orders, the schools are closed, and for the benefit of students, we are providing this e-class. This video will help children to learn and grow their skills. I request the parents to take equal part in this session and help the children to learn. This video is for class LKG, subject English. The content that will be shown in this video has to be done by the children in their English notebook of 4 lines. Parents can use the English notebook of the child, the English notebook which have 4 lines in it. Let's begin with the E-class of St. Joseph's Academy. In this E-class, we will write and learn the uppercase letters A to E. Suppose this is the old notebook of your child. So, turn the page, write the name of the child, the class, subject. You have to fill all these 3 columns and then start the work from the next page. First of all, parents, please help the children to write the date on the top right corner of the page. Suppose the date is 20th of April. So you will help the children to write the date 20.4.2020. Then the parents, please help the children to write the heading. As we will learn the uppercase letters A to E, please help the children to write the heading A to E. Let us now begin with the letter A. For the letter A, make the slanting line towards the left side from the upper red line towards the left side and touch the bottom blue line or the black line. Then make the slanting line towards the right side and on the blue line make the sleeping line. This will become the uppercase letter A. Give some space and then write the letter B. For the letter B, from the upper red line, start making the standing line till the black line, the bottom black line. And then from the upper red line, make a small curve towards the standing line. And then again the small curve towards the standing line. And touch the standing line from the upper red line and then on the bottom black line. Again give the space and then we'll write the letter C. For the letter C, from the upper red line make a big curve and touch the black line, the bottom black line. Parents, please tell the children that they do not have to touch the bottom red line. In all the uppercase letters, we will not touch the bottom red line. The letter has to be from the upper red line till the bottom black or blue line. Now we will learn the letter D. For the letter D, from the upper red line, make a standing line till the bottom black line, and then again from this standing line start making a curve and touch the standing line. Then the letter E. For letter E, from the upper red line, the standing line, and then we'll make 3 sleeping lines. First on the upper red line, second on the middle black line, third on the bottom black line. This is the letter E. Let us revise once again. the letter A, the letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E. Parents can also draw the pictures like this. As for A, it is A for apple. So you can draw an apple. It will become convenient for the children to recognize the letter. For letter B, it is ball. B for ball, as the letter B has the sound of B. For the letter C, it is C for cat. For the letter D, D for dog. For the letter E, it is E for elephant. Also, the letters has the sound. So parents, please tell the children and make them learn the sound as well with the practice of letters. Suppose they're writing A, they'll write it like A and they will repeat the sound A. The letter B with the sound B. The letter C with the sound K. The letter D, the sound D. The letter E with the sound E. Let us write it again. Children, please write it with me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. Again, children will write the same letters in the next line. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. Look clearly. In all the uppercase letters, we have not touched the bottom red line. When the children will write the uppercase letters A, the letter B, the letter C, letter D, letter E, it will start from the upper red line, but it will not touch the bottom red line. So again, let us write it. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. In the letter A, when you will say the sound, it is A. And for the letter E, there is stress in the sound. A. So please be clear about these sounds. A, and the letter E has the sound A. When this entire page will be filled, on the next page, again on the top right corner, write the date, write homework, as classwork, the heading that we have learnt, and then again the children will do the same work done here on this page on the next page. A, the letter B, C, D, E. The children will fill this full page as homework of this class. Parents, please help the children to learn and write the letters. I request all the parents to be regular with our e-class. Also, I request all the parents and children to stay at home and stay safe. We will meet soon in the next e-class of St. Joseph's Academy with a new lesson. Till then, practice the uppercase letters we have learnt. Take care. Bye-bye.